Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the metal bat and equipping it as your primary melee weapon. Check its durability percentage and any stat tags that change swing speed or damage. Once equipped, bind your main attack and heavy attack to comfortable controls and confirm movement penalties. Metal bats often reduce sprint by a set amount. Make sure your stamina and encumbrance allow repeated swings. If not, drop weight or switch to light armor to keep mobility high before you commit to close quarters combat. Once you can swing, focus on timing and combos to maximize the bat's strength. Use light attacks in rapid succession to chip away while conserving stamina. Reserve heavy charged swings to break shields, stagger foes, or finish stagger windows. Make use of dash or sidestep combined with a swing to punish predictable enemies, and circle strafe to avoid counters as you force them into your rhythm. Practice aiming at limbs to disable movement, then follow up with a heavy to capitalize on openings for higher damage. To finish engagements, apply a heavy finisher when the enemy is staggered or use a throw to create space, then switch to ranged if multiple foes approach. Make sure to repair or upgrade the metal bat at a workbench to restore durability and consider enhancements that increase damage or reduce weight. If you encounter problems, like frequent misses, first check your latency and aim for the correct hitbox. Next, refine animation cancels and timing, and always carry a backup melee to avoid being defenseless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.